Hello, friends. That's right. It is Dillon coming to you live from the Dillon compound once again. Oh my goodness. Tell you what, November weather is here in Tennessee's some kind of awesome. It's like 68 degrees out here. And you can see the leaves are a-changing. Which brings us to, it's about time to fire the tractor up and do some bush hogging. And, well, I've got, let's turn the charger beat. Got the tractor battery on charge. She's beeping, she's still charging. That's all good. Charge that sumbitch. But I got the battery out of the tractor, cleaned it up real good, and took the terminal cleaner, cleaned the terminals, got them all nice and shiny, and I went in, and this is something you got to do. You got to put petroleum jelly on the terminals to keep them from corroding. And I went in, and it turns out I'd used up all the petroleum jelly. Imagine that. So I went to town and I bought some more petroleum jelly. Ain't that right there, skull head? And while I was in town, I was running low on beer, so I grabbed some more beer. Delicious. And I bought some shit for burritos last night, and turns out it got late, and I knew it was going to take like 2 or 3 hours to fix all of it. Burritos and a cabbage and dice of lettuce and tomatoes and make the salsa, and you know how it goes. But so I said screw it. I went somewhere. Where'd I go? What did I eat last night? Oh, I went to Mickey D's. God dang, I can't see it. God dang light. There we go. Went to Mickey D's and got a couple of burgers. Just tied me over. Make it work till today. And it worked out pretty good. Except for when I got up and had to go to the bathroom. Oh, good Lord. I can't remember what I fixed the night before, but I know it had a damn boatload of jalapenos in it. Whew, damn it, boy. Damn it. Can't do that shit. Well, while I was in town, I went and I picked up my tractor last year when I finished bush hogging. I pulled it down here and I parked it, and I got off and I looked and I went, what the hell? And all the wiring was cooked, melted together. I don't know how it was still running. And I'm like, what the fuck? And then I remembered the last time I fired it up to finish bush hogging, I heard there was a funny sound. Bzzz. Well, it was the Bendix still running on the starter. Well, that drained the battery dead, and of course the battery's sending electricity to it, keeping it running, and it cooked the wiring. So I had to pick up some wires while I was in town, some connectors and this, that, and the other. Got to rewire the tractor. Fun! It'll be alright though. Just gonna take a little time and a little patience, which I don't have much of. But I want to show y'all some of this cooked wiring. Look at that shit. How in the hell was that thing still running? How? Look, that's bare wires. How in the hell was that shit still running? I don't know, but it was, and luckily it didn't short anything out or explode and blow my nuts through my nose or nothing. So it's all good. Just gotta rewire it. I got some thick gauge wire. I got some 10 gauge to go all through it, and some fuses and all that other good shit. So that's how we do it at the Dillon compound, baby. And while I'm on here, I just want to say, I don't know who you voted for. Don't care. By God, if you're my friend, you're my friend. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck who you voted for. I don't care what color you are. I don't care what race. If you're gay, bisexual, I don't care. If you're my friend, you're my friend. And by God, there's a hell of a lot of good people out there that are my friend. And I thank you for being my friend. But I don't care who you voted for. Could care less. But if you won, you won. This, that, and other. Look, I gotta go. I'm about tatered. And I still gotta rewire that tractor and cook supper. Ground chicken burritos. Yes. Y'all have a good one.